Good morning. How you guys doing? My name is Itumile Mwerane. I'm from the Mountain Kingdom of Lesotho. Yay! Happy New Year! We made it. Okay, guys, we made it to the new year. All right. So today I just want to talk about 5 things that we should remember going forward with the new year. Yeah, so I made a little note here. So forgive me, you'll see me looking down because I made some notes for you. So let's get into today's video, guys. So five reminders that we need to hear in 2021. We have to stop aiming for perfection, guys. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. Seriously, we have to allow ourselves be ourselves. Let's stop putting a negative talk to ourselves. Let's stop trying to make this thing that perfect, that thing that perfect, and is this not perfect? I'm not gonna do it. Let's stop doing that. Let's just try to do our best, and let's hope that our best is enough. Okay. All right. Number 2, make your passion your career. You heard that? Make your passion your career. If you are passionate about Facebook, make this your career. If you're passionate about cooking, make that cooking a career. Go for cooking classes and improve on your skills and make a career out of that. If you can draw and is a passion, make it a career. Like, go so that your pieces could be seen on the museum. If you like to sing and then make it your career. You understand that. Let that burning thing come out and enjoy it going forward. Okay. All right. Declutter items you don't use, guys. If you know me, if you have heard my videos, I always talk about the decluttering your lives. There's nothing that strike your soul down like just stuff laying around. We should stop being hoarders. On the serious note, let's get rid of things that we do not use. Even if it's still a new item, but if you haven't used it for the past year, give it away. Somebody might have some use for it. Being clothes, shoes, anything that you do not use, even kitchen cabinet, anything that you do not use, get rid of it. Guys, it is just clear if you are not using it. All right. Number 4, eliminate negative self-talk. We always talking to ourselves every day, whether we know it or not, whether we voice it out or we speak it inside, but we're always talking about ourselves. Always tell ourselves, oh my God, it's hard. Oh my God, I'm broke. Oh my God, I'm bored. Oh my God, I'm not pretty. Oh my God, I'm fat. That is a very negative self-talk. We have to stop it. Replace it with, oh my God, I'm beautiful today. Oh my God, my day is going to be beautiful today. I'm going to make it. 2021 is going to be my year. Stuff like that. You heard right? Yeah. Number 5 on my list. Appreciate the little things. The little things. They matter. If maybe somebody somehow calls you for a coffee and just to sit down and talk, appreciate that. It's not always that we take ourselves out, that we give ourselves some time to breathe. Like little things, like breathing a fresh air, seeing another day. Like, we have to appreciate those things. Water that we drink, the sunlight, the rain, everything. We have to appreciate that. Appreciate little things, even smallest things that you yourself have achieved. Appreciate that. Okay, small things, they matter. Okay, my people, thank you for watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe and then don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss on my next upload. Guys, really, 2021, we have to make it our year. No matter what, we have to try to make it out of life happy, kicking and screaming. Like, we have to have fun no matter what. We have to aim for positivities in our lives all the time. Thank you for watching. Up until next time. And may the God Almighty keep protecting you guys and keep you from harm. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you.